Do you suffer from acne? If you do, well, we do have the answer for you from the Theraderm range of products. These products are South Korean, but they are very good at treating acne without dehydrating your skin. So our first hero product is the Black SIBO cleanser. This cleanser actually has two different types of bubbles inside of them so that they can cleanse your skin right deep into where you producing the acne from, but at the same time it will not dry your skin. It's like a treatment, so you massage it in on the face, leave it on for a couple of minutes, then wash it off. And after you've washed your face, then you need to spray your face with the Black SIBO toner, because this will rebalance the face. Okay, and now, if you do suffer from little acne spots, then you apply this little serum just on the spots so that it will help it to dry. You can apply it in the morning, but also best at night, and so that when you wake up in the morning, it will be dry. So, you know, when you use a lot of acne products and acid-based products, your skin becomes really dehydrated. So we have a solution for you. This is a serum and it's made out of hyaluronic acid. We know that hyaluronic acid, it nourishes the skin, but we need the zinc inside of this serum to treat our acne. And of course, we need to moisturize the face, right? So that it does not become dehydrated. So this ultralight moisture dew is perfectly designed for oily to acne skin. It's very light. And of course, you need to also protect your face against the sun, the harsh conditions. So a lot of acne patients, they do not like to wear SPF because it is very thick on the face and it tends to make the acne worse. But however, we've been able to design the essence, and the essence is extremely light. You will not have any breakthrough with it, and you can wear this even 2-3 times a day. So it's good for acne patients, oily combination skin patients. In fact, this is our best-selling product that everyone is using. So with this range of acne products, then you will be able to treat your acne even at home.